Our ABC 7i team has learned tonight that U.S. officials are slamming the latest appeal by former Illinois Governor Rod Blagojevich. We have obtained the Solicitor General's filing in Blagojevich's case, asking the Supreme Court not to hear his appeal. Eyewitness News investigative reporter Chuck Gowdy is here now with late details. Chuck?
Alan, the nation's Solicitor General tonight ripping Blagojevich and shredding his appeal request that the defrocked governor filed late last year. The I-team late today obtaining the government's 34-page Supreme Court response that dismantles Blagojevich's request piece by piece. The 6th anniversary of Blagojevich entering prison comes next week. Since then, he has filed and lost numerous appeals of his federal corruption convictions. In the most recent last November, Blagojevich argued that the nation's highest court could finally settle lingering disagreements in lower courts over what constitutes illegal political fundraising. U.S. Solicitor General Noel Francisco now asking the Supreme Court to deny Blagojevich's latest appeal and keep him in prison for the full 14-year sentence, the longest ever imposed on any corrupt Illinois politician. Supreme Court justices have already turned down an initial Blagojevich appeal, and numerous arguments in the latest filing simply regurgitated arguments that were previously rejected. Blagojevich maintaining that never in his alleged acts of corruption did he explicitly demand campaign contributions in return for any official act. In today's filing, the Solicitor General says Blagojevich's argument is without merit and incorrect, with pages of legal positioning focused on the meaning of explicit quid pro quo. The government today restating some of the court's derogatory references to the former governor, saying his conduct was particularly egregious because of his status as Illinois' chief executive. In asking the Supreme Court to reject Blagojevich's latest appeal, the Solicitor General restated that when it is the governor who goes bad, the fabric of Illinois is torn and disfigured. The Chicago trial judge James Zagel reimposed Blagojevich's original 14-year sentence at a hearing in 2016. Even after the Seventh Circuit threw out a few of the original counts against him, appellate judges said the evidence against Blagojevich on the 13 counts that remained was overwhelming. We have not received a response back today from Blagojevich's legal team.
Okay. Chuck, thanks.